Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Tonight we're doing dinner in the air fryer. I am doing a honey bourbon marinade for our steak bites, and we are going to do Parmesan garlic French fries with aioli sauce to dip them in, and it's just delicious. We'll just go with that. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for watching today. I'm going to put all the ingredients and steps in the description below. What I love about this marinade, you can put this on steak. You can use this for grilling. Delicious. Okay, so I have my steak. My steak's going to hang out here for a second. And we're going to put together the marinade sauce. I am going to start with about 1/3 cup of honey. I'm just going to squeeze it right into my mixing bowl here. About 1/3 cup. And we are going to do 1/4 cup of bourbon or whiskey. Whatever you got, get the good stuff. You want to make sure it's good enough to drink. We're going to pour this in. Don't tell the hubs you're using his good stuff for a recipe. It's kind of our kitchen secret, isn't it? Okay, put the lid back on there on that. We're going to add in 1/4 cup of soy and 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Goodness sakes, Worcestershire. Usually I can say that pretty well. Not today, apparently. All right, let's add 1/4 cup of each. You don't have to be spot on with these measurements. Oh, yeah. We're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to add in about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Just going to eyeball it. There we go. Going to add in some salt, a little pepper, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Just kind of drizzle that in there. Okay, we're going to give this a nice good mix. Make sure you get that honey mixed in good. It kind of likes to stick to the bottom of your bowl. If you're looking for some other easy weeknight dinner recipes, check out that playlist. I'll link to it above. All sorts of easy kid family friendly meals that you can make. I also have tons of make ahead slow cooker. If you're a busy family like we are, those sure come in handy, especially for meal planning. Okay, I'm going to grab my steak. And you can do this for full-size steaks. You can do this for steak bites. We have like mini thin sliced steaks. And I am going to kind of just let them hang out in here and soak. I'm actually not going to let them soak for too long. I'm going to end up putting them in the air fryer here probably in about 15 minutes. If you've got more time, you can either put them all into the bowl and cover it and store it in your fridge for a good 30 minutes to an hour, or put it in a gallon Ziplock baggie. All right, we're going to keep adding our steak, and then we're going to get the fries ready, and we will get the air fryer out and get this dinner going. These fries smell amazing. I can't wait to eat them. Dip them into our aioli sauce. The honey bourbon glazed steaks. Oh my gosh. This recipe is delicious. Your family's going to love it. Add it to your meal plan, y'all. Thank you so much for watching today, and we will see y'all next time.